You just threw it out, didn't you? You know, really, seriously.
Han, I'm not joking, Han. I'll give you a lot of
And what made
container.
you think I was joking? Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Everything, tulog pa si Tami. Ayan ako. Naghanap ako ng flower. I don't wanna use that flower. Yung flower ako dun, hindi na siya open. Gagawa po tayo ng banana bread. Nagluto ako ng maaga. Dalhin ko to doon sa isang bahay. Para may ma-snacks din kayo. Abs, behave yourself. You eat already. Simple lang siya, guys. Meron lang akong pinapanood sa YouTube. Kung gusto nyong tignan. All recipe. Yung channel is all recipe. Pwede 4 na banana yung sa kanila, pero pwede naman 3. Maganda talaga yung overripe. Ilagay dito sa sugar and butter and egg. Okay. I-mix lang daw ito. And then, ilagay natin dito. Hindi daw siya dapat i-overmix kasi maging dough. So, kailangan lang siyang i-moist. Okay, ilagay na natin ito, guys, sa oven. 60 minutes. Mag-breakfast lang ako, guys. And para hindi ako magutom mamaya kasi aalis tayo. Tapos na yung banana bread. Banana bread. Sabi pa, ang pangalan daw dito, hindi lang banana bread. Ano daw ito dapat? Banana bread. Hopefully, that's cooked bread. So, hintayin lang natin siya dito mga 10 minutes. Dito lang siya 10 minutes lang. Dito ko lang ilagay itong bread. Maghinaw tayo. There you go. Sarap-sarap naman ito. Ito na siya, guys. I-ano lang natin dyan. Kasi parang, hindi siya so, yun. Alis kami dito, Han. 1 hour to go, honey. We live in... So, ito, ilagay ko na lang ito siya sa Ziploc. Hindi naman siya mainit. So, i-ziploc na lang natin ito. Ziploc or container. Mas mabuti yung container, diba? Para mamaya, kung may gustong kumain, ikakat na lang dire-diretso na, diba? Why is very up high? And I cannot get up. Lahat ng container dito, guys, nasa taas. Kasi si Tami, sobrang taas. Siya yung siya lang yung makakuha. And we called it puppy love. Puppy love, love, puppy love. Puppy love, love, puppy love. Yung sasakyan ko is, siya, kung i-on mo siya, parang manahirapan siyang mag-on. So, I think, ang sabi ko kay Tami, baka yung ano, battery ng sasakyan ko is parang kailangan na ng bago. So, yun yung ano ko, pero iwan ko kung bakit ganito yung sasakyan. I told you the other day, right, before this car died, I told you that it's kind of like funny, even wherever I go, this car is always been like, is the oven off?
I don't know. I wasn't playing with the oven.
I thought you did.
Hon? Why would I play with the oven? You were cooking bread.
Where's the bread? You forget.
Now you can check the oven when you go check it.
No, I'm not. I did kill the oven.
Hon, you want to get the bread?
It's the bread is here.
You sure the oven's off?
Yes, hon.
We'll come back with no house. No puppies, no kittens, no house.
Holy cow. My
Yeah.
passport is the important.
To your passport, don't worry about it. You sure you don't want to check?
Hon, I know I shut it off. I'm just joking with you.
Alright. You say so, hon.
I was joking. My
Yeah.
God. Again,
Did you close the garage?
Hala, no. Let's go. You sure it's off?
You start saying things like that and you don't know for sure.
No, I shut it off. Oh, you're kidding, honey. That's the first thing I did. Now I wanna know. Do you have it there?
No, there's another garage in here somewhere, right?
It's not here anymore.
Oh, you can?
Honestly, I don't know. I'll go back.
I know there is one here somewhere, huh?
I'll go back.
Has to be.
I'll go back to that house over there. Now, yung mag-joke ka ba na hindi pa tayong nilulutuan ko.
How much gas you got?
Ha?
How much gas?
It's this is half, right?
Yeah.
It's in the line here.
A little more than half, a little less than half.
More than. So, yun guys. So, kapag mag-joke ka nga na ano na hindi nakapatay yung ano, parang nagwo-wonder ka na tuloy kung patay ba yun or ano. Alam ko pinatay ko eh. So, yung joke talaga paminsan parang maisip mo parang totoo. Okay guys, ando na si Tami sa tindahan. So ngayon, anuhin lang natin siya. The way. Hanapin lang ako sa na-miss ko tong tindahan na to guys. Kita ko si Tami. Uy! Uy!
I guess you found a spot.
Yeah. Kuha tayo ng ginger. Get one only for the chicken soup. Right here is new. I just saw the guy. That's why I'm not here. Oh, stop it here.
Yeah, we're going the wrong direction. But you know, stay here. I'll go get the mustard.
Oh God. You don't have one in your restaurant. You have tons of them.
No, I don't have a regular mustard. He won't. He doesn't like the other mustard. I thought.
Oh my
I
God.
checked.
Oh, bird food. Just back up, man. You're blocking.
Unless you got stuff in there.
Get 3 only, hand, please. That's it. Creamer. Lucky bird.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Napa-shopping tuloy dito. Itong si Tami, basta mag-grocery, iba yung bibilhin, pero ang daming nabili.
Good here. Well, I bought birdseed for here. I bought creamer for here, right, and bread for here. Right, and the other stuff that I got is
Hello.
right now. It's for the house.
Huh?
And the other stuff you pick up for the house. But salad, I figured out so Andrea wants salad with cold cuts. You know, Andrea.
Naghanap lang kami kung ano, may nalagay na kami sa sasakyan. That one is paper. I have to look at it. Andrea file it up. Is that for the car too? You don't even know where that go.
What? I don't know where this goes, but the shelf drawers.
Maybe it's in this house. And alam nyo guys, Tommy buy a lot of things from the grocery. Look, yung refrigerator dito is naging mapuno na rin. Puno na rin yung refrigerator. And bumili din ako ng pork. Nakita nyo naman. At ito yung banana bread ko. Okay, guys. Ang ganda ng banana bread ko, guys. Oh, grabe. This is a good banana bread, guys. The outside part is crunchy. Inano ko lang itong mga wine, guys. Kasi ang daming wine dito na sira. And then, papunta na si Tami dito kasi isip yung mga sira. Look, it's been lying down forever. It's emptied already. It's been evaporating and whatever. So nasty. It's upstairs.
No,
They
I
clean.
think I must have brought it down. There's no mops in this house.
I'm gonna go outside and tell Tommy. Okay.
You want that one where? One on that side and one on this side. We'll put one on the tile and one on that side. The smell lasts for 2 weeks.
That's torturing.
Good. But the smell lasts for 2 weeks, so.
Halahan, you're going up?
No, just put it on the metal beam, Tom. It'll shoot straight up.
Yeah, I gotta climb up to the metal beam.
You're not tall enough?
Han, be careful. There's no more in
Stuff
there.
outside the house near the door is stuff in your car too. I didn't want to shower it in the kitchen.
I put it in the car already. You're just dumping junk and then I'll put it in the car.
but I was thinking it was gonna get wet, and that was the wood table.
I was thinking, okay, I'll bring this. I'll throw it in my garbage. Okay, Andrea.
What you making? Oh, pork roast.
It's too late that it takes forever to cook that. I want it crunchy. I guess we're just gonna have half of the chicken and then the half is.
I was gonna say, wasn't there a chicken in there we're gonna do?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the half and then make chicken soup tomorrow. Maybe it's in the bathroom upstairs.
I mean, it was your banana bread.
Dinala ko balik yung banana bread, guys. Napagod ako sa basement. Napagod ako sa basement, guys, kasi alam nyo na, parang walang naglilinis ako doon pero walang nalinis. Marami akong natapon na basura pero tignan niyo to. Gustong umihi pero okay, well, let's put this thing in the car and inside the house. Dada's inside the house. You go crazy inside the house. Han, I will give you container. I'll give you container. There's a ton downstairs. I'll give you if you want to. Not collecting. Every time we buy things and collect.
Really? I
Because
turned my back.
I talked to you already. Honey, I talked to you. I gave you something from downstairs. I'll give you. Honey, we have a ton. 2 bags. Okay, can I try it tomorrow?
Stop already.
No, I'm not joking, honey. This
So
is
obsessed
ridiculous.
with crap.
No, this is ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. Every time I go look for a container, I can't find nothing. That's
There is
ridiculous.
downstairs. I'm gonna get you a bag.
want a bag.
I'll get a bag. I'll get a
I
bag.
don't want a bag. You just threw it out, didn't you? You know, really? Seriously.
Han, I'm not joking, Han. I'll give you a lot of
And what made you
containers.
think I was joking?
I know you're not joking, Han,
So?
because I know you're a hoarder.
So, if you know I'm not joking, why would you just do it after I told you not
Because
to do
we
it?
don't need it. It's broken also.
Broken? Why is it broken?
Seriously, honey? Seriously, Han? Seriously?
That's where you left it from.
Oh, Han, just let it
That's
go.
supposed to be that way.
Let it go.
Broken. I'm seriously.
Let it go now.
Just put it
Oh my. You know what, honey?
in my neck.
You-
I gotta watch you all.
You know what? I'm gonna get rid. You're gonna get rid of me and you keep all your shit, okay? Because that's what's gonna happen. Collecting all the junk. Well, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of it. You love collecting or you love me. That's all. From Chinese, I let you collect all the. But collecting this thing?
Oh, I prefer a big soup.
Okay, I'll give you the container from Maria. Okay? Love? I called you love already. That means I'm being nice.
That means you try to get your way no matter what.
Yes, love.
I know. I'm not stupid.
Okay, can you get rid of this too? I need to wash it.
I'm wearing it right now.
No, later. Ay. Chicken dinner? Why there is a little bit left here?
Throw it out because it's now it's old. I don't know why it was never used, that little piece.
Oh shit!
That's what I said, throw it out. I didn't open it for a reason. You want to open it and smell it, that's your business.
Hi guys, tapos na tayong kumain. Ngayon maligo tayo kasi doon sa basement nagwalis ako doon. Naglinis, and din yung floor doon is sobrang talagang duming-dumi. Kasi abog na yung ano ko guys. Shower. Look at the camera. Oh, he's killing. He doesn't like this.
You heard me when I come in.
How they come here? Ano tayo sa lips para hindi mag-dry. Anyway guys, press ko na malinis na po tayo. Kasi grabe kasi yung abog yung parang ang ano sa kanina talagang grabe. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. We will see you guys tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Night night, hun.
Bye guys.